Hi, folks. This is Kaushik Ray from NCR Techno Solutions, and I'm back once again with another video on Gyani for Sales Teams. So, Gyani for Sales Teams is a voice-enabled AI chatbot which can run on your enterprise CRM or ERP systems. It's voice-enabled and it has natural language understanding capabilities, which basically means that a user can simply chat with this bot or talk to this bot, and this bot understands what you're saying, goes back to the enterprise CRM or ERP system, fetches the information, presents back to you. Or if you want to create something, it fetches the information from you and goes back to the CRM system or ERP system and does the necessary. So in this video, I'll be and Gyani for Sales Team is available on can run on a website like on a web browser, just like you are seeing right now. The exact same thing can run on a mobile application. It can also run on Google Assistant, and in the very near future, it will be running on Alexa platform as well. In this particular demonstration, for the purpose of recording and ease of operations, I'm recording it in a website interface. But exactly same thing works on the mobile app, and nearly same thing works on Google Assistant, in which I will cover in subsequent videos. So, what am I going to demonstrate to you in this particular video? For a sales team, everything revolves around the customers, and for that matter, the contact persons of those particular customers. So let's see how a salesperson, in this case, Ryan Ray, which is myself logged into this application, can use voice and natural chat to do account management or contact person management and stuffs around that. So let me get started. And in this case, I will straight away start with voice. I just want to make sure that, as you know, this Gyani for Sales can be personalized. It can be, your voice can be enabled or disabled. This is the speaker. So if I put it on, then then the bot will be actually speaking in voice, which is what I want to do right now. And I can also choose um, the assistant. In other words, each of these assistants have a different persona. They have a different face, and apart from a different face, they can speak different language and some variations within the same language. Like, for example, there is a difference between US English or UK English, or for that matter, Indian English and English spoken in other parts of the world. So that personalization stuff I'll show you in a separate video. Now let's get started. Let me invoke the bot by asking for my favorite customers. Okay. What are my favorite customers?
Here you go. Here is the list of customers you are looking for. You can tap or ask me to show details of any of them. Tasha Battery Distributor, AutoNation, Elcom Systems Limited.
So, folks, you understood that I asked a question, which is, what are my favorite customers? Not even who are my favorite customers. So, basically, what I wanted to show here is that the bot is smart enough to understand grammatical errors, or for that matter, some spelling errors also, especially in voice, because what you say sometimes may not be exactly captured in the correct spelling and other things. So it understood that the bot understood that I'm looking to get a list of my favorite customers. It quickly went back to the enterprise CRM system, fetched the information, and presented. Here in this case, I have three favorite customers: Tosha Battery Distributor, AutoNation, Elcom Systems. Now let me continue in voice. I want to see some details about Tosha Battery Distributor. Let me ask the question in voice, just for demonstrating you. And remember one thing, in this particular video, because I'm speaking to you as well as to you as in the audience, as well as to the bot. That's why I am manually clicking the microphone and not letting it automatically turn on. Usually, you will see in later videos that if I enable the automation, then The moment I end the moment the bot ends the conversation in voice, the mic automatically switches on, expecting me to say something. So I don't even need to tap here. But right now I'm doing it manually so that what I'm saying to you guys in the video is not confused as my instruction to the bot. Okay, now let me try to fetch some information about Tosha battery distributor. Show me details of Tosha battery distributor.
Here is the summary info of customer Tasha Battery Distributor. Tasha Battery Distributor is located at 93 Park Street, Mullik Bazaar, Park Street area, Kolkata, West Bengal 700016 Kolkata, West Bengal, in. Tasha Battery Distributor is a major account. Josh Davis is your main contact. Let me know if you want any more info of Tasha Battery Distributor.
So, folks, what you saw is that when I said in voice, show me details of Tosha battery distributor, it did not understand my voice exactly, my pronunciation exactly, and it understood as Tasha battery distributor, TASHA. But the actual customer is TOSHA, Tosha. So what did is that even with this, when it went back and tried to make a comparison and identify which is the customer, it realized that this Tasha is actually Tosha because it is remarkably similar to this. So it fetched the information of Tosha battery distributor and presented me back, which is it applied intelligence and it corrected the mistake in my pronunciation. Okay. So here is the details about that particular customer. Now let's move ahead and